Good morning, everybody. It's a little overcast day today. We're waiting on Helena to come and ravage us here on the Nature Coast. Just a quick update. We got our tires in for the Taylor Dunn. I only bought 2 tires just to make sure they'd work and not scrub, and I liked them, so I only bought 2 at a time, just to save on shipping and return processes. So just to show you what we got, here's the original. So there we are. The original 8-inch tires are used for, warehouses, asphalt. They do not work on grass. So we did a little upgrade, and I'll show you what we got. Here's the new tire and wheel package. They're 8.5 by 10, basically lawnmower tires. And I think it turned out really good. I think it looks good. It's not over the top. I didn't want too big of a tire, because it would rub on the back of this wheel well right here. Right now you can see I got like almost 2 fingers right there, but it doesn't scrub. They look okay. Obviously we got plenty of meat back here. The only issue on this one is this guard back in the back. This thing is very close. I'm gonna have to bend that back. Either bend it back, or there's 3 rivets at the top of it. I can drill the rivets out and physically move the whole thing back like a 1/2 inch. But all in all, I'm happy with it. It looks good. I haven't taken it for a ride yet, but I think it looks good. I went ahead and ordered the other pair to get that coming, and then I'll be able to actually use it in the yard, which is good because I need to spray. So I got a spray rig in there with boom, expandable boom and stuff like that. So the tank will fit on the back of this thing just fine. I'll strap it down and then run the boom unit on the back of it. But that's just a quick update for today. And thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll make it through the storm today. It's supposed to get worse as the day goes on. And luckily we're not even near it. We're not in the Big Bend. We're on the west coast, northwest coast, right before the Big Bend. So we'll get storm surge and stuff like that, but not the full brunt. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.